Does it feel like technology should be able to do more for you and your business, but you aren't sure what to do next? It can be frustrating and overwhelming to know that there must be a better way, but not even know where to get started. Don't worry, we hear it all the time. And good news, we can help. Let's work together to connect and organize the software systems that are most important to your organization to each other. We are experts in software automation and integration solutions, and will work directly with you and your staff to create customized processes that will save your team time and money. Focus on what you do best to make your business grow and leave the rest to us. Life is complicated. Software doesn't have to be. LaPlante Management, we're here to help.